Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya again welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So today we are going to make this beautiful pearl necklace. I love pearl jewelry a lot, and that's the reason I make pearl jewelry in various form, be it necklace or earrings or brooch so much. So the specialty of this necklace is that you can see there is no hook over here. So we just have to wrap this around the neck, and these two hooks we have to bring in from this one and just snatch it. So that's it. So this is the kind of necklace that we are going to make today. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial and you will definitely try to make this necklace at home. So do try to make this unique necklace at home and ping me on Instagram with a picture of this and let me know how was your experience while making this necklace. And if you are enjoying my various jewelry designs, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this in the future. And now let's get started. The material required is 5 pearl beads, meaning lots of them. These are the big beads which are usually used in brooch and they come in variety of colors. So, but as I have taken pearl beads, I am taking these shades. Then any jhumka caps, dangle to make earring, beading wire, scissor, lock beads, and these are a small size golden beads. So first of all we will wave beads in this pearl beads, and we are going to wave approx 200 or more beads in this. So let me first wave the beads as it is a 2-layer necklace. And once we are done with the waving, I'll let you know the exact number. I'll do that quickly. I have made lots of videos on beaded jewelry where I have made various designs in a very simple way which looks very beautiful, and also you can make them with minimal material and time. So do watch these videos. If you have any suggestions or feedback for me, do let me know in the comments below. I hope that you will share this video with your friends and family. Okay, so you can see I have added 200 beads. Now what I will do is we'll lock this necklace. So I am taking this lock beads. I'll take 2 lock beads. And we'll place it here to make a lock. I always use 2 lock beads to ensure its strength. Now make sure there is no space left here and cut this wire. Insert 2 beads, 1 bead. Now I'll press this one. So we are almost done. This will be the pattern. the necklace. So now we are going to add dangles here. For that we need this ball and this one, this log beads, and I am taking this laria. So I'll cut one side of laria and we'll insert one log bead in this. Sorry, we don't need log. So I have cutted this one side of laria and we'll insert this golden bead, and then I'm going to add this. I'm going to add this jhumka cap, and then this one, and then this cap, and we'll repeat the same. We'll end with this bead, and now I'm going to insert this bead, this laria, in this one hole, and we'll wrap it. So we'll repeat the same process, but I'm not going to use the same bead, same size of bead, but you can see there is a small bead I have, so I'll use that one to other side to enhance its look, and we'll use that bead for making earring. So I have done this, added all the beads, and we'll just insert this. This is how beautiful earrings necklace is ready. Now we'll quickly make earrings. So again I'm taking this and I'll cut one end. I'll do the same that I have done for making this dangle. So I'll quickly do this. And now I'm going to add this earring dangle in this, and we are done. So with this, a beautiful neck piece and earrings are ready. This is our second earring, and this is the main design of the earring necklace. So you can see we have made this beautiful necklace. I have tried to show you in a very simple steps. You will surely love to make this necklace, and also if you want to gift someone, this is the great option. So do try to make this necklace. Do like, share and comment on this video. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any tutorial from us. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.